Here's how to protect your assets from your spouse if they are abusing your estate and you are married in community of property. Hi, my name is Aslam Moolla and I am a registered attorney. Did you know that you can stop your spouse from abusing the joint estate, especially if they've been reckless with money from the joint estate, or they're selling any kind of assets, for example, vehicles, jewelry, furniture, without your consent? Principle number one, you have to have evidence of them abusing the estate. Photos, emails, whether they've posted the item on Facebook Marketplace, take a screenshot of that. Gather as much evidence as you can. Step number two, you can apply to the High Court to have an immediate division of the joint estate. What this means is that the joint estate will now be divided and both parties will have two separate estates from the marriage. What the judge will consider in deciding whether or not to divide the joint estate is what will be fair in the circumstances. The judge will use what is called judicial discretion. That means the power to override the joint estate. The basis of using the joint discretion, or judicial discretion rather, is that one party has economically abused the other party. And like I said earlier, what this means for you is that the joint estate now ceases to have ended, and both parties now have individual estates. The other option that you have, if your partner is abusing the estate, is to simply take away their financial power to spend the money from the joint estate. And what this means is to place them under administration. In that case, the joint estate still exists, but the other partner's power to spend is taken away. So in summary, if your spouse is abusing the joint estate, you do have rights. You can apply for the joint estate to be divided. Alternatively, you can take your spouse's power to spend from the joint estate. If you need help in your situation, you're more than welcome to click the link below and book an appointment with our office. I wish you all the best and I'll speak to you soon.